Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have a new update for the dev and beta channels in the Insider program, KB 5067115. And this latest update started rolling out late last week in my part of the world. And Microsoft says that starting last week, it's beginning to offer the same dev channel updates based on Windows 11 version 25H2 to Windows insiders in the beta channel as a recommended update. So just take note of that if you do find yourself in the beta and or dev channels. Now focusing on what's new. Now the first is there's a new Ask Copilot in the taskbar. Now Microsoft says that this is an opt-in experience, thankfully, which gives you one-click access to Copilot Vision and voice, enabling more natural interaction. And as you type, Microsoft says results appear and update instantly, making it easier to find what you need. And Microsoft mentions from the changelog that Ask Copilot in taskbar complements the familiar Windows search, so you can continue using search as you always have from start while trying out this new feature, according to Microsoft. And moving on to the next. Now this is the full screen experience, Microsoft says, following the initial launch of the full screen experience, FSE, on the Asus ROG Xbox Ally and ROG Xbox Ally X. And this is rolling out to Windows insiders, expanding availability to additional Windows 11 handheld devices currently in market, according to Microsoft. Now, what we're looking at here is the design with console-style navigation in mind. The Xbox app paired with the full screen experience delivers, Microsoft says, a clean, distraction-free interface for handheld gaming. And if you want to enable the feature on supported devices, you would go to Settings, Gaming, Full Screen Experience, and then select Xbox as your home app, as we can see in the image provided. But just remember that is hardware specific. And here's a big one, which unfortunately is only rolling out for Copilot Plus PCs, but nonetheless, I still think is a nice move. And I actually posted on this as far as I can remember when it was still a hidden feature, where we get now shared audio, with Microsoft saying in this update, it's beginning the rollout of shared audio, which is a new experience built on Bluetooth LE audio broadcast technology for Copilot Plus PCs. It's a pity this isn't making its way to so-called normal PCs, but nonetheless, Microsoft says shared audio allows two family members to watch movies together while traveling, or two students to share music while studying. So that's just two examples. So to get started, you would access the shared audio title in quick settings, select two supported paired and connected accessories and click share to begin. So I actually think that's a nice feature. Just a pity it's not coming to so-called regular normal PCs. And then just to mention a change and improvement, Microsoft says it's enabling a feature update to Prism, which is its emulator for Windows on ARM that makes it possible for more 64-bit applications to run under emulation by adding support for more CPU features under emulation. And guys, that's it. That's the new features and changes and improvements. We get a couple of fixes and a handful of known issues. And that's more or less what's new in last week's Dev and Beta channel Insider Preview build, which as mentioned is now being offered to the beta channel as a recommended update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.